Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Violet. I'm mama of 2 boys and 1 girl. So I just woke up. So in today's video, I'm just going to deep clean my bedroom. It has been a while ever since I deep cleaned my bedroom. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share, and click the notification bell so that you don't miss any time I post a new video. And thank you so much to all my subscribers, and to the returning subscriber, I say welcome back, and I'm glad to have you back. Thank you so much for your support, and your support means a lot to me. And if you are coming my channel across for the first time, guys, please don't hesitate to subscribe, comment, like and share, and click the notification bell so that you don't miss any time I post a new video. So I've done this video when I just got back from the hospital. My daughter is in the hospital. She's admitted in the hospital. So it has been a while, and I came home to take a small break. I exchanged with my husband. So, and I hope you guys are doing very well, and I hope my video find you in a good condition, and God bless you all, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the video and have a wonderful time. I'm sorry guys for my voice if my voice is not clear. I did this voiceover in the hospital, so I cannot speak very much louder, but thank you so much for watching and enjoy the video. Have a wonderful time.